Hello, girls and boys, and happy St. Patrick's Day! Happy St. Patrick's Day! Yes. So, as you all know, on 17th of March, the Ireland's National Day, we celebrate St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is very, very important for us. That is why I have prepared this presentation with a lot of interesting information about Ireland and St. Patrick. Why? Because by the end of this presentation, I have a proposal of a game for you, boys and girls of the third and fourth level of primary education. It's gonna be fun, you'll see. Okay, so you all know that St. Patrick's is celebrated in the 17th of March. It's like Ireland's National Day. It's an Irish festival celebrated all over the world. You probably know that St. Patrick was the patron saint of Ireland. He was the bishop who converted the Irish from their old religions to the Christian religion. And here I have included a lot of important information. Obviously, it's crucial to make the distinction between Ireland and the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Here on this map, you see the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland colored with the colors of the Union flag, and the Republic of Ireland with the green, white, and orange colors typical of the Republic of Ireland. In this presentation, we also have to talk about Leprechaun. Leprechaun, this magical creature which can be very, very naughty if you are not wearing green today. So be careful, huh? Apart from that, I also have included for you some information about the history. What is Ireland like? The landscapes. Let's have a look at these cliffs. They are amazing. Also the castles. Information about food and drinks, sports, Irish animals as well, and obviously the Irish weather. You see people here wearing an umbrella even in summer. That is also one of the most traditional Irish aspects. Okay, what I want you to do is, with all this information, and more information you can find on the internet, to make a trivia game. Okay. Mirad, mi propuesta para vosotros es que hagamos un juego de trivial de preguntas y respuestas con esta información que tenéis y más información que podáis encontrar en internet, en el que cada uno me mandará, especificando St. Patrick's Trivia, su clase, su nombre. Aquí, 4 questions, obviously in English, 4 preguntitas de las que sepáis la respuesta, por supuesto en inglés, para entre todos realizar un gran juego de trivial y ver de qué somos capaces o hasta dónde llega nuestro conocimiento de la festividad de San Patricio, ¿de acuerdo? Vuestros papás ya saben cómo tienen que hacerme llegar las preguntas de la tarea y nada más. Animarse, que seguro que va a ser muy divertido. Si hay cualquier duda, ya saben vuestros padres dónde pueden encontrarme. Bye bye. Happy St. Patrick.